Want to build a $10,000 app? Imagine the thrill of seeing your creation generate that kind of revenue. It's a dream for many, but often feels out of reach. Most people think it takes months of coding and a small fortune. The traditional route involves learning complex programming languages, spending countless hours debugging, and investing heavily in resources. Not anymore. We're entering a new era. AI is the game changer. With advancements in artificial intelligence, the barriers to app development are crumbling. AI can now handle tasks that once required specialized skills. You don't need to be a tech whiz. Forget the notion that only seasoned developers can create successful apps. Today, anyone with a vision can bring it to life. You just need the right tools and a sprinkle of creativity. AI-powered platforms provide intuitive interfaces and smart suggestions, making the process smoother and more accessible. This isn't about complex algorithms, it's about simplifying the process. AI takes care of the heavy lifting, allowing you to focus on the creative aspects of your app. It's about leveraging powerful AI to do the heavy lifting. Imagine having a virtual assistant that understands your needs and helps you build your app step by step. Ready to build your app empire? Let's dive in. Forget the old rules. Embrace the new possibilities that AI brings to the table. No more endless coding nights. Say goodbye to the frustration of dealing with bugs and errors that keep you up all night. No more expensive developer fees. You don't have to break the bank to bring your app idea to life. AI tools are cost-effective and efficient. This is about empowering you, the creator. With AI, you have the power to turn your ideas into reality without relying on a team of developers. With AI as your ally, the app world is your oyster. The possibilities are endless and the tools are at your fingertips. Intrigued? Keep reading. There's so much more to discover about how AI can revolutionize your app development journey. This is your roadmap to success. Follow along and you'll see how AI can transform your ideas into successful apps faster and easier than ever before. The first step, finding that killer app idea, but don't overthink it. The best apps solve simple problems. Think what frustrates you. What would make your life easier? What do people always ask you for help with? Look for patterns. Is there an app for that? If not, you might be onto something. Remember, simplicity is key. The easier your app is to use, the more people will love it. And don't forget about shareability. Can users easily tell their friends? That's viral potential right there. Now let's talk tools. Cursor is your AI-powered coding assistant. Think of it as your personal development team, minus the coffee breaks. Describe what you want your app to do, and Cursor will generate the code for you. It's that simple. But what about design? Enter Maven. This nifty tool lets you browse designs from the most popular apps. See a layout you love? Borrow the concept. No need to reinvent the wheel. Adapt and improve. Maven and Cursor together? That's a design and development powerhouse. Every app needs a brain. That's where Supabase comes in. It's your backend as a service, handling all the complex stuff like databases and servers. Don't worry, no technical jargon here. Supabase makes it surprisingly simple. Think of Supabase as your app's engine room. It keeps everything running smoothly behind the scenes. From storing user data to handling logins, Supabase does it all. And the best part? It's incredibly scalable. Whether you have 100 users or 1,000,000, Supabase can handle it. Section 5. Laying the foundation. Creating your app's core structure. With your tools in place, it's time to start building. Don't worry, this isn't about writing thousands of lines of code. Cursor will handle the heavy lifting. You'll be using simple commands and prompts to guide the AI. Think of it like assembling a puzzle. You provide the pieces, your app idea, design inspiration, and so on, and Cursor puts them together. You'll define the screens, the flow, and the functionality. Cursor will translate your vision into clean, efficient code. Section 6. DeepSeek API. Injecting intelligence into your app. What makes your app truly special? AI-powered features, of course. That's where DeepSeek API comes in. This powerful tool lets you add advanced functionality to your app, even if you don't know the difference between an algorithm and an avocado. Want your app to understand natural language? DeepSeek can do that. Need it to recognize objects and images? DeepSeek's got you covered. From sentiment analysis to personalized recommendations, the possibilities are endless, and the best part? Integrating DeepSeek is as easy as copy and paste. Section 7. Bringing your app to life. From code to clickable reality. You've got the idea, the design, the backend, and the AI. These are the foundational elements that will shape your app's functionality and user experience. Now, it's time to bring it all together. This is where the magic happens, where your vision starts to take a tangible form. Cursor will generate the final code for your app, seamlessly integrating all the components you've worked on, ready to be compiled and packaged. This process ensures that your app is optimized and ready for deployment. This is where things get technical, but don't worry. Every step is a learning opportunity. There are plenty of resources to guide you. From online tutorials to comprehensive documentation, you're never alone in this journey. Think of it like baking a cake. Each step is crucial, and following the instructions precisely will lead to a successful outcome. You've got all the ingredients, from the design elements to the back-end logic and AI functionalities. Now you just need to follow the recipe. Each line of code, each function, and each module is a step towards your final product. Cursor provides the recipe, the code, offering you a structured path to follow, and you simply need to follow the instructions to bake your delicious app. With each step, you're closer to bringing your vision to life, transforming code into a clickable reality. Section 8. App Store Launchpad, reaching millions with your creation. Your app is built, tested, and ready to go. You've spent countless hours coding, debugging, and refining every detail to ensure it provides the best user experience possible. Now it's time to share your creation with the world. The final step? Launching it on the App Store and Google Play. These platforms are the gateways to millions of potential users who are eager to discover new and innovative apps. This might seem daunting, but both platforms have made the process surprisingly straightforward. They provide detailed guidelines and resources to help you navigate the submission process with ease. You'll need to create developer accounts, prepare your app's listing, screenshots, description, keywords, and more. This is your opportunity to make a strong first impression, so take the time to craft a compelling and accurate representation of your app. Once everything is ready, submit it for review. Both Apple and Google have review processes to ensure that apps meet their quality and security standards. This step is crucial for maintaining the integrity of their platforms. This is your chance to make a great first impression. A well-prepared submission can lead to positive reviews and even being featured on the app stores, which can significantly boost your app's visibility. Highlight your app's unique features, showcase its beautiful design, and clearly communicate its value proposition. Users should immediately understand what makes your app special and why they need it. A clear and concise value proposition can make all the difference. It should address the user's needs and explain how your app solves their problems or enhances their lives. With a little polish and a compelling pitch, you can create a promotional video that showcases your app in action. This can be a powerful tool to attract users and give them a preview of what to expect. By following these steps and putting in the effort to present your app in the best possible light, you'll be well on your way to reaching millions of users worldwide. Your app has the potential to make a significant impact, so take the leap and share it with the world. Section 9. Your turn to disrupt. The power is now in your hands. So there you have it. You've just built a $10,000 app using the power of AI, and you didn't even break a sweat or your budget. This is the future of app development. It's faster, more accessible, and puts the power back in the hands of creators like you. Don't just dream about your app idea, make it a reality. With the tools and strategies outlined in this guide, there's nothing stopping you. The world is waiting for your next big thing. Go out there and build it.